First question. The study of the structures of the human body is called A. Biology, B. Histology, C. Anatomy, D. Physiology. The correct answer is C. Anatomy. Anatomy is the study of the structural makeup of the body. Biology also studies the human body, but it is more general as it studies other aspects such as human function, plant structures, and functions. Next question. What is the term for the study of the structures of the tissues? A. Biology, B. Histology, C. Anatomy, D. Physiology. The correct answer is B. Histology. Histology is the correct term used to describe the study of the structures of the tissues. Next question. Which of the following is the largest organ in the human body? A. Pancreas, B. Skin, C. Heart, D. Liver. The correct answer is B. Skin. This is because the skin covers the entire surface area of the body and accounts for about 16% of the body's weight. Next question. What is the control center of the cell? A. Nucleus, B. Mitochondria, C. Ribosome, D. Lysosomes. The correct answer is A. Nucleus. Nucleus is the functional unit of the cell that controls and coordinates all the cellular activities in the cell. Next question. Which organelle is most prominent in protein synthesis? A. Nucleus, B. Mitochondria, C. Ribosome, D. Lysosomes. The correct answer is C. Ribosome. The ribosome is the most prominent organelle for protein synthesis in the cell. Meanwhile, proteins are also synthesized in organelles, such as rough endoplasmic reticulum, but ribosome is the site for primary synthesis. Next question. Which organelle is responsible for generating energy for the cell? A. Nucleus, B. Mitochondria, C. Endoplasmic reticulum, D. Lysosomes. The correct answer is B. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is the site of cellular respiration. It is called the powerhouse of the cell as it is responsible for generating energy in the form of ATP. Next question. What type of tissues forms the lining of organs and glands? A. Epithelial tissues, B. Connective tissues, C. Nervous tissues, D. Muscular tissues. The correct answer is A. Epithelial tissues. Epithelial tissue is one of the 4 primary types of tissue in the body. It forms the lining of organs, glands, and other body surfaces. Next question. What type of tissue is specialized for contraction and movement? A. Epithelial tissues, B. Connective tissues, C. Nervous tissues, D. Muscle tissues. The correct answer is D. Muscle tissues. Muscle tissue aids contraction and movement through a complex process involving the interaction of muscle fibers, motor neurons, and the nervous system. Next question. What is the largest organ in the abdominal cavity? A. Skin, B. Stomach, C. Kidney, D. Liver. The correct answer is D. The liver. The liver is the largest organ in the abdominal cavity, playing a vital role in detoxification, metabolism, bile production, and storage of essential nutrients. Next question. Which lobe is the largest lobe in the liver? A. Right lobe, B. Caudate lobe, C. Quadrate lobe, D. Left lobe. The correct answer is A. Right lobe. The right lobe is the largest liver lobe, playing a significant role in liver functions like detoxification, metabolism, and bile production. Next question. Where is the liver located in the abdominal cavity? A. Upper left quadrant, B. Upper right quadrant, C. Lower left quadrant, D. Lower right quadrant. The correct answer is B. Upper right quadrant. The upper right quadrant of the abdomen contains the liver, gallbladder, right kidney, and part of the duodenum, small intestine. Next question. How many lobes does the liver have? A. 2, B. 4, C. 6, D. 8. The correct answer is A. 2. The liver has 2 main lobes, right and left, and 2 smaller lobes, quadrate and caudate, that are sometimes described separately. Next question. Which part of the kidney contains the renal pyramids? A. Renal cortex, B. Renal pelvis, C. Renal medulla, D. ureter. The correct answer is C. Renal medulla. The renal medulla contains the renal pyramids. The renal medulla is the innermost part of the kidney, and the renal pyramids are triangular structures within it where urine formation occurs. Next question. Where is the kidney located in the human body? A. In the pelvic cavity. B. In the thoracic cavity. C. In the abdominal cavity. D. In the thoracosacral cavity. The correct answer is C. In the abdominal cavity. The kidneys are located in the abdominal cavity, specifically in the retroperitoneal space. Next question. What is the functional unit of the kidney? A. Neuron, B. Glomerulus, C. Renal cortex, D. Nephron. The correct answer is D. Nephron. The functional unit of the kidney is the nephron. Nephrons are responsible for filtering waste and excess substances from the blood and regulating the body's water and electrolyte balance. Each kidney contains millions of nephrons. Next question. What is the term for the cluster of blood capillaries in the nephron? A. Glomerulus, B. Bowman's capsule, C. Renal corpuscle, D. Nephron. The correct answer is A. Glomerulus. The capillaries of blood in the nephron are called glomerular capillaries, or more specifically within the nephron structure, they form the glomerulus. The glomerulus is a key part of the nephron where blood filtration occurs. Next question. Which structure connects the kidney to the bladder? A. Renal vein, B. Renal artery, C. Urethra, D. ureter. The correct answer is D. ureter. The ureter is a muscular tube that carries urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder. Each kidney has one ureter that transports urine through peristalsis, muscle contractions, to the bladder for storage. Next question. Which part of the heart regulates the heartbeat? A. S node, B. AV node, C. Bundle of his D. Purkinje fibers. The correct answer is A. SA node. The SA node, sinoatrial node, is the heart's natural pacemaker. Located in the right atrium, it generates electrical impulses that regulate the heartbeat, setting the rhythm for the heart's contractions. Next question. Which is the name of the valve that separates the right atrium and ventricle? A. Pulmonary valve, B. Bicuspid valve, C. Tricuspid valve, D. Mitral valve. The correct answer is C. Tricuspid valve. The tricuspid valve is a heart valve located between the right atrium and the right ventricle. It allows blood to flow from the right atrium into the right ventricle while preventing backflow. It has 3 cusps, or leaflets, hence the name tricuspid. Next question. Which of the following blood vessels supplies oxygenated blood to the heart muscles itself? A. Pulmonary arteries, B. Coronary arteries, C. Renal arteries, D. Aorta. The correct answer is B. Coronary arteries. The coronary arteries supply oxygen and nutrients to the heart muscle, playing a crucial role in maintaining heart health, and their blockage can lead to coronary artery disease, heart attack, or angina. Next question. What is the term for the layer of the heart wall that consists of cardiac muscle cells? A. Endocardium, B. Myocardium, C. Pericardium, D. Epicardium. The correct answer is B. Myocardium. The myocardium is the heart's muscular layer, responsible for contracting to pump blood and maintaining heart rhythm, and its health relies on adequate blood supply from the coronary arteries. Next question. What is the name of the artery that carries oxygenated blood from the heart to the brain? A. Coronary artery, B. Pulmonary artery, C. Carotid artery, D. Renal artery. The correct answer is C. Carotid artery. The carotid arteries are vital blood vessels in the neck that supply oxygenated blood to the brain, neck, and face, and their blockage can lead to stroke or other serious conditions. Next question. Which structure surrounds and protects the heart? A. Pericardium. B. Epicardium. C. Endocardium. D. Myocardium. The correct answer is A. Pericardium. The pericardium is a protective sac surrounding the heart, providing protection, reducing friction, and maintaining heart position, playing a vital role in heart health and function. Next question. Which part of the pancreas produces the digestive enzymes? A. Acinar cells. B. Islet of Langerhans. C. Ductal cells. D. Blood vessels. The correct answer is A. Acinar cells. Acinar cells are specialized cells in glands like the pancreas and salivary glands that produce digestive enzymes and fluids, playing a crucial role in digestion and nutrient absorption. Next question. Which cells in the pancreas produces insulin? A. Acinar cells. B. Alpha cells. C. Beta cells. D. Delta cells. The correct answer is beta cells. Beta cells in the pancreas produce and secrete insulin, playing a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels and glucose metabolism, and their dysfunction can lead to diabetes. Next question. The name of the joint that connects the arm to the shoulder blade is A. Wrist joint. B. Elbow joint. C. Hip joint. D. Glenohumeral joint. The correct answer is D. Glenohumeral joint. The glenohumeral joint, a synovial ball and socket joint connecting the humerus to the scapula, enables a wide range of motion but sacrifices stability, making it prone to dislocations and injuries. Next question. Which of the following bones make up the pelvic girdle? A. Ilium, ischium, and pubis. B. Femur, patella, and tibia. C. Scapula, humerus, and clavicle. D. Cranium, face bones, and ribs. The correct answer is A. The pelvic girdle consists of fused ilium, ischium, and pubis bones forming the coxal bones, while the pectoral girdle consists of the scapula and clavicle bone. Next question. What is the term for the bony structure that forms the knee joint? A. Tibiofemoral joint. B. Patella. C. Meniscus. D. All of the above mentioned. The correct answer is D. All of the above mentioned. The knee joint involves the tibiofemoral joint, patella, and meniscus, which work together to facilitate movement, absorb shock, and provide stability. Next question. Which type of bone is the vertebrae an example of? A. Long bone. B. Short bone. C. Irregular bone. D. Flat bone. The correct answer is C. Vertebrae are classified as irregular bones due to their complex shape, providing support, protection, and attachment points. Next question. What is the term for the bony socket that holds the head of the femur? A. Accetabular notch. B. Acetabulum. C. Glenoid cavity. D. Iliac fossa. The correct answer is B. Acetabulum. The acetabulum is the cup-shaped cavity in the pelvis, specifically the coxal bone, that forms the socket of the hip joint, where the head of the femur, thigh bone, articulates. Next question. What is the term for the bony socket that connects the ribs to the sternum? A. Coster cartilage. B. Coster margin. C. Sternocoster margin. D. Xiphoid process. The correct answer is A. Coster cartilage. Costal cartilage connects the ribs to the sternum, breastbone, or to other ribs, providing flexibility and support to the rib cage. Next question. What is the term for the bony prominence on the distal end of the humerus? A. Tuberosity. B. Condyle. C. Epicondyle. D. Crest. The correct answer is C. Epicondyle. Epicondyles are bony projections that serve as attachment points for muscles, tendons, and ligaments, providing leverage and stability to joints. Which of the following is the best description of systole? A. Relaxation of the heart. B. Contraction of the heart. C. Relaxation of the blood vessels. D. Contraction of the blood vessels. The correct answer is B. Contraction of the heart. Systole is the contraction phase of the heart, pumping blood out of the chambers and into the circulatory system. Next question. Which of the following is the function of the sinoatrial node? A. Regulates blood pressure. B. Acts as heart's natural pacemaker. C. Regulates breathing rate. D. Separates atria and ventricles. The correct answer is B. The sinoatrial SA node acts as the heart's natural pacemaker, generating electrical impulses that regulate heartbeat and control the heart's rhythm. Next question. Which of the following is the largest vein in the body? A. Jugular vein. B. Inferior vena cava. C. Superior vena cava. D. Pulmonary vein. The correct answer is B. The largest vein in the body is the inferior vena cava, which carries deoxygenated blood from the lower body to the right atrium of the heart. Next question. Which of the following is the function of the chordae tendineae? A. Stimulates the heart's contraction. B. Anchors valves, cups. C. Prevents backflow of blood. D. Regulates blood pressure. The correct answer is C. The chordae tendineae anchor valve cusps to papillary muscles, preventing backflow and ensuring proper heart valve function. Next question. What is the name of the bundle of nerve fibers that connects the two hemispheres of the brain? A. Corpus callosum. B. Anterior commissure. C. Median fissure. D. Posterior commissure. The correct answer is A. The corpus callosum connects the two hemispheres of the brain, allowing them to communicate and coordinate their functions. Next question. What is the name of the nerve that supplies the muscles of the tongue? A. Facial nerve. B. Vagus nerve. C. Glossopharyngeal nerve. D. Hypoglossal nerve. The correct answer is D. Hypoglossal nerve. The hypoglossal nerve controls tongue movements, including protrusion, retraction, and shaping, essential for speech, swallowing, and manipulation of food in the mouth. Next question. What is the name of the structure that separates the cerebrum from the cerebellum? A. Pia mater. B. Dura mater. C. Falx cerebri. D. Tentorium cerebelli. The correct answer is D. Tentorium cerebelli. The tentorium cerebelli is a fold of the dura mater that separates the cerebrum from the cerebellum, forming a partition between the two structures in the brain. Next question. Which part of the brain is responsible for processing sensory information? A. Brainstem. B. Cerebellum. C. Cerebral cortex. D. Spinal cord. The correct answer is C. Cerebral cortex. The cerebral cortex processes sensory information from the body, including touch, temperature, pain, vision, hearing, and more. Specifically, the primary sensory areas receive and interpret sensory input. Next question. Which structure in the kidney produces erythropoietin? A. Juxtaglomerular cells. B. Renal interstitial cells. C. Macula densa cells. D. Peritubular cells. The correct answer is B. Renal interstate cells. Renal interstitial cells maintain kidney structure, aid in repair, respond to immune threats, and produce erythropoietin for red blood cell production. Next question. What is the name of the structure that regulates blood flow to the glomerulus? A. Afferent arteriole. B. Peritubular capillaries. C. Glomerulus. D. Efferent arteriole. The correct answer is A. The afferent arteriole supplies blood to the glomerulus, regulating blood flow and pressure to control glomerular filtration rate, GFR. Next question. Which layer of the skin contains blood vessels, nerve endings, and hair follicle? A. Stratum basal. B. Hypodermis. C. Epidermis. D. Dermis. The correct answer is D. Dermis. The dermis provides strength, elasticity, sensation, and supports skin health through blood vessels, nerve endings, and glands. Next question. Which part of the skin regulates body temperature? A. Stratum basal. B. Sweat gland. C. Melanocytes. D. Keratinocytes. The correct answer is C. Sweat gland. The skin regulates body temperature through sweat glands and blood vessels.